Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about JTextPane in Java. The JTextPane is a subclass of JEditorPane class. JTextPane is used for styled document and embedded image and components. It is text component that can be marked up with the attributes that are represented graphically. JTextPane use default style document as its default model. So here we have the simple libraries in Java TextPan, so which are bad locations exception means swing dot text dot bad location exceptions JTextPan text documents text dot simple attribute set and text dot style context. So far I just simply add swings and AWT together. So yet we not need these libraries. So public static void and void is the main here. So main is strings, a string and the arguments. Now I just throw the exception. So throw, which is bad location exception. Okay. So here it's need a library. So I just import this library here. So J frame dot JFrame, which is the frame is equal to new J frame. So I just create a J frame here. So J text pan is a name of the frame, and now frame dot set default on closed operation, and which is J frame dot exit on closed. Okay. Now container and container CP, which is equal to frame dot get content pan, and then J text pan and the pan which is equal to new J text pan. Okay, now here I just write simple attribute, which is set attribute is equal to new simple attribute, which is set. So I just set the attributes here. Okay, so I just import a text.simple set attributes library here. Now I just write style constants, and it's constants dot set bold, and then I just write attribute, and then which is attributes are true here. So I just set the style which is bold. Now I just set the attribute before adding the text. So pan dot set set character attributes, and which is attribute, and then here I just write true, and pan dot set text set text, and the text here is welcome. So when I just open this pan means this editor pan text pan, so our text is shown to mean which is welcome only. Now attribute, which is equal to new simple attribute. Okay, and here I just set that attribute. Now style constants, and this is constants dot set italic, and the italic here is attribute and which is true. So we just also set the italic attributes here. Now it's style dot constants, so style dot constant dot set for size, sorry, foreground, and the foreground here is attribute, and then the foreground is a color of red. So our foreground color is red here, and then set content, and here I just write set background. So the background color is attribute, and then color is blue. Okay, now I just write document, and the document's doc which is equal to pan dot get style document. Okay, and then doc dot insert, and insert here is a string, so I just insert a string here which is the doc dot get length, and get length, and here I just write a string, so here I just write to Java, and then here I just write attribute. Okay, now attribute which is equal to new and simple attribute set. Okay, so I just set the simple attributes. Now doc dot insert string, and string here is doc dot get length, and then here I just write word, and here I just write attribute. So attribute is this one where I just said the attribute, yes. So this is our object name. So afterwards I just write J scroll pan, which is scroll pan is equal to new J scroll pan. So this S is a capital here, and then I just write cp dot add, and add is this scroll pan here. Okay, and this is our scroll pan, so I just copy this name here, and then I just write border layout dot center. Okay, now I just set the frame size, so frame dot set size, and the size here is 400, 400, and 300. Okay, and then frame dot set visible, which is true. So our code for this project is complete here. Now I just run this code, and you can see we have the text pane. So we don't have the text pane right now. So I just run this code again, and here you can see we have the text editor, and the initial text of this editor is welcome to Java world, and you can edit this text here. So this is a simple example of JTextPane in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in